In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google form directly from Google Drive. The process is straightforward and will allow you to efficiently gather information through customized forms. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to begin by opening your web browser of choice and navigating to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, you will need to enter your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Drive, where all your files are neatly organized. Now look towards the upper left corner of your screen and click on the New button. This button is your gateway to creating various Google documents, spreadsheets, and of course, forms, among other things. Clicking New will open a drop-down menu showcasing different options you can choose from. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option for Google Forms. Hover your cursor over it, and another menu appears, allowing you to choose between starting a blank form or using a template from the gallery. For now, let's select Blank Form, which will redirect you to a new tab where your blank Google form is ready to be filled out. This blank form has a default title, typically named Untitled Form. Click on the title text, and you'll see it's editable. This is where you can name your form based on its purpose or the information you wish to gather. Naming your form properly is essential as it not only organizes your files, but also clearly communicates the form's intent to anyone filling it out. Once you've named your form, you've successfully created a new Google form from your Google Drive. All the tools to customize your form are at your disposal. From adding various types of questions to inserting images and videos, you can start customizing it right away by clicking on different elements in the form to edit them. In this video, we focused on the initial setup of your form in Google Drive. Once your form is created and named, you can dive deeper into the customization options available in Google Forms, like setting up response validation rules, designing the visual layout, and managing how responses are collected. You now have a basic, yet fully functional Google form created directly from your Drive. Don't forget to explore the various settings and options that Google Forms offers to refine and enhance your form. Whether it's for creating surveys, quizzes, or feedback forms, this tool makes collecting information convenient and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe.